Hello and welcome back to this video on Facebook Ad Creation Series. If you have been following this course and if you have been following this video for the first time, you understand that you are actually making progress and actually you are making a lot of progress in your own site. So now in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook ad campaign of ad promotions to promote whatever product you want to promote. It must be an application, Android or iOS. So let's get to it. The first thing is to click on create. You select the ad objective, which is the app promotion. It's basically good for you to help people to install app on their phone by running a promotional ad campaign. The first thing you need to do now is, before, this was not actually in place. It was just an update of Facebook, which is this app promotion campaign types. Create and sustain high performing ads campaign with less effort. You can decide to select these two, anyone. For me, I will just select the first one now manually because I want to create my own manually. I don't want all the complicated things from Facebook. I want to be able to control my own campaign. I will say AP continue one. Now you must have an application that you want to advertise for your prospect or your client or your own app. Then for my own texting purposes, I've seen that if I select this iOS Plus campaign, I'm not actually going to get results on my own. So there's going to be a lot of complicated things I need to set up on my own campaign levels and everything to be able to get the result I wanted. Then I can decide to leave everything like this here. You can put your own if you want to. It's just for texting purposes. Alright, you text your own campaign objective and also text your own campaign at set level. Now they are asking us to select the app store you want to start promoting the app from. We have Play Store, we have App Store, we have Amazon Play Store, we have Facebook Canvas, we have Windows Store. Select the one that you want your app to go for. Right now, I'm going to open my app because I have an application on Play Store. Ask your prospect or clients to give you an application, give you the app. This is my app here. Instant top up. This is my personal application, okay? This is my personal application. So I'm going to be using the application URL here. Look at the application here now. I'm going to be using it to actually promote my app. So I'll click on copy. Alright, if I click on copy, then I'll come here, I'll paste the URL of the app. You can ask your clients to give you the app URL, okay, to put here. Then if you are not able to find your app above, refine your search by selecting a country in which your app is available. That means if you didn't see the app you are trying to promote, you can simply search for it. Okay, now what I want to probably maximize, my end goal for this campaign is, if you want for link clicks, you go for link clicks. That means you want to see how many people that click on the link on the campaign you are running. If you want for installation of apps, okay, you go for installation of apps. My goal most of the times, I always like to show my ad to people who are likely to install it on their mobile phone. I'll click on this second one here, because I want to get more application installations. Now there's something that you need to do. First of all, before you select this app installation, there are some things you need to set up on your Facebook ad. So basically, you have an issues when you're trying to run this particular one. Okay, you have an issue when you're trying to run it. So they're going to ask you to, for app install invert, you need to click here to set up some certain things like campaign tags or something like that you can put on your Facebook or any place at all. So here I have to reselect it back because my app have not really showed up here. Look at the app here now. So first of all, is this app you have on your campaign, right, must be an app on Facebook. Facebook will probably get access to this app and also help you to sell it or promote it to people. So what I'm going to do now is, can see that app is now ready here. So let me try again and select the one for app installation. Let's see whether that error will still appear here. Click on it. Then this is how it's going to appear. Let's say the magic that's going to happen. The rest of the video, which I already showed you how to do, what to do and what not to do. Now we still have this error here, which means that there are some things that we need to set up on our own Facebook developer portal. Facebook developer portal is a platform that you set up any app you want to advertise on Facebook. So it was not covered in this course. If you want to learn more about that, then you can buy additional helps, maybe probably get access to my get on call with me, then I'll show you what you're supposed to do. So for this reason, I'm going to select only okay, seems like this error have probably been up and running. So I'll click on next. Now because I'm trying to promote my app, I'm not selecting any kind of any place. I'm just leaving it at broad targeting. Then I'll come for this place, I'll leave it at automatic. So I'll come to next. The next is just where you set up the ad copies of your app, what the app is going to do for prospect, what they are going to get, how to download it, the issues they're going to get. There you select the page of the app. Look at the page here I'm selecting, instant top up. You select the page which the app represents. The same thing as doing other things there, okay? Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back, scroll down again. You put the app ID here. So I'll select it. I select the image. You already know how to do all these things now. It's not that difficult again to do. Just find ways, do your own stuff, put your own copies of your app or something like that. So let's look at my app, this thing, image I want to use. Click on next. So once you put your own ad copies or creative, it's going to show up in different perspective. Now look at this is going to change to give me another view of my app. Okay, look at it here now. So next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a copy. For example, I'm going to add a primary text of what my app is going to do for my prospect. I'll just say instant top up. First of all, if you want to run ad based on app promotions, you must have all the whole app features and benefits, so that when somebody sees your ad, they will be able to know what your app is all about and they'll click on it to install it on their mobile phone. So anything that has to do with app promotion on Facebook, the ad copies are really small. The ad copies will not be too long. Like most of the times you are selling physical product or selling digital product on the internet using Facebook ad, your ad copies might not be that too big. Now for this particular one now, on promoting an app on Facebook, your ad copies, which is this thing I just have here, this my primary text, should not exceed up to 300 words because it's an app. So what you just wanted to do is once they click on your app installation, they'll install your app on Play Store. That's what you just need. You don't need to do magic here. What you just need to do is just promote your stuff the way you want. Tell them what your app can do for them. Then they will click on the app and install it. There's no magic, but there's a whole lot of things when it comes to app promotions. I'm just showing the basic, but this basic will also guide you to know what the app promotion is all about, and it helps you to run ad for any kind of promotional materials, for any product, for any client. So with that being said, I'm going to show you another way that you can promote another app. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is this call to action now is what that you really need. Alright, you need to change it. You have a store now, so leave it at a store now because it's an app you are promoting on Facebook. It's an app. Leave it at a store now. You can say use app, it's the same thing. It's just you call to action button. So in Facebook developer portal, there's some certain things you need to set up for any campaign based on the app promotional level. You need to set up this pixels and also this ID in the developer portal so that Facebook will understand that this campaign you are running is actually validated. So Facebook developer portal is free of charge. It's free of charge to you, so you can use it for any campaign, for only app promotions only. Now when you are good with everything, what you just need to do is you just need to click on publish. But we have an error here, so we need to set this error now. Let's check whether we can set it up. Let's see whether you can open it. Right. is okay. Yeah, the thing have left. Now you click on publish, and that's going to be all. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead conversion ad. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.